It's a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. The bubbly sound behind me is my pressure canner, which is going with dog food in. But while I'm doing a lot of things, I don't want to sort out, and when I finish them all I want to sit down. I don't want to stand around cooking the meal for me. So I'm going to let the slow cooker do it for me. I have cut up 2 potatoes, medium size. Yes, I have left the skin on. I've scrubbed them first, but as I'm not canning these, I'm eating them, I don't mind the skin being on. I have some leeks, well, the last of the leeks from the garden, and I'm going to be putting some of them in. I'm going to use all these leeks up, I don't think. Oh yes, I will. No, I'll use the majority of them because I'm making some cheese and onion quiche, so I think I'll do a cheese and leek quiche. Bit of salt. Bit of pepper, yeah, I know, I don't use it much and it squeaks. Now you can add just water in, you could add a stock cube mixed in water. If you want this to be vegetarian, put a vegetable stock cube in. I make my own stock. This is chicken stock. So I'm gonna add some. So I'll give it a shake up first. Good seal. Now I think half of it, so that's about half a pint of liquid to it, and that's more or less everything done. So now I'm going to put it in the slow cooker on high for a couple of hours, and then I'll lower it down. And don't worry about this, it's not going to go to waste because that will actually be put on Mason's dehydrated rice to reconstitute it. So that's all it is, and I'll add things to it later. There you are, about 3-4 hours later. The potatoes are all cooked, the leeks are cooked. You can have it just like this. If you've got an immersion blender, you can blitz it with that, or you can put it in your food processor or your blender anyway and do it in batches or in one go. But be very careful because this is hot. But you can see the potatoes just falling apart, so as I'm stirring it I'm just breaking them up more. So I'm not going to use more dishes up, but what I am going to do is I've got a few mixed herbs that I dehydrated from my garden, and I'm going to add a few of those to it. And you can have this with crusted bread, no bread at all, crackers on top. You could even put breadcrumbs, toasted breadcrumbs in with it. I've had a baking day, so I've made with the leftover bits of pastry these cheese pastry twists. So I'll be having it with those. Lovely. As you can see, this has been my baking day as well as canning. So that's why I needed something sorting out for my evening meal. Thank you. Bye. That's so nice.
It's a